Have you ever thought about where your toothpaste came from? It wasn't always the minty fresh paste we know today. Thousands of years ago, the ancient Egyptians were pioneers in dental hygiene, creating their own versions of toothpaste. They understood the importance of keeping their teeth clean and healthy. Imagine using a mixture of crushed eggshells and ground up animal hooves to clean your teeth. That's what the ancient Egyptians did. While it might sound strange to us, these ingredients actually helped to remove plaque and whiten their teeth. The ancient Egyptians were incredibly innovative, and their toothpaste recipes are a testament to their ingenuity. By understanding their practices, we can appreciate how far dental care has come and gain a newfound respect for the ancient world's contributions to our modern lives. The ancient Egyptians were very resourceful people. They didn't have fancy toothbrushes and toothpaste tubes like we do today. Instead, they used ingredients found in nature to create their own unique toothpaste formulas. One popular ingredient was salt. Salt acts as a natural abrasive, helping to scrub away food particles and plaque. Another common ingredient was mint. Mint leaves were crushed and added to the toothpaste for their refreshing flavor and antibacterial properties. Some ancient Egyptian toothpaste recipes even included ground up animal hooves or eggshells. While it might sound strange, these ingredients provided abrasive properties that helped to clean and polish teeth. The Egyptians also recognized the importance of good breath. To freshen their breath, they chewed on aromatic herbs and spices like cinnamon and cloves. The ancient Egyptians placed great importance on their appearance, and dental hygiene played a significant role in their beauty standards. They believed that a healthy smile was a sign of good health and social status. Priests, in particular, were expected to have impeccable dental hygiene, as they were considered intermediaries between the gods and the people. Ancient Egyptian art often depicts individuals with white, evenly spaced teeth, highlighting the significance of a beautiful smile in their culture. They believed that bad breath and dental problems could offend the gods and even affect their journey to the afterlife. Oral health was also essential for practical reasons. A healthy mouth allowed them to eat properly, speak clearly, and maintain overall well-being. The ancient Egyptians recognized the link between oral health and overall health, understanding that dental problems could lead to other health issues. Archaeologists have uncovered fascinating evidence of ancient Egyptian dental practices, providing valuable insights into their sophisticated understanding of oral hygiene. Excavations have yielded ancient toothpicks, dental tools, and even remnants of toothpaste substances. These discoveries offer a glimpse into the past and highlight the importance the ancient Egyptians placed on dental care. The ingredients found in these ancient toothpaste remnants, such as salt, mint, and ground up animal hooves, align with written accounts and demonstrate their resourcefulness in using natural ingredients for oral hygiene. One notable discovery was a collection of toothpicks made from wood and ivory, some dating back over 5,000 years. These toothpicks were likely used to remove food particles stuck between teeth. The fact that these tools have been found in tombs alongside other personal belongings suggests that dental care was considered an important aspect of life and the afterlife. Section 5, more than just a pretty smile, oral health and overall well-being. The ancient Egyptians understood that oral health was not just about aesthetics, but also played a vital role in overall health and well-being. They recognized the connection between dental problems and other health issues. They observed that infections in the mouth could spread to other parts of the body, leading to more serious health problems. For example, they noticed a link between tooth decay and pain in other parts of the body. While they may not have fully understood the science behind these connections, their observations led them to believe that maintaining good oral hygiene was crucial for overall health and vitality. This holistic approach to health is still relevant today as modern medicine continues to emphasize the importance of oral health in maintaining overall well-being. Section 6. From papyrus to present, the evolution of toothpaste ingredients. The ancient Egyptian toothpaste recipes, while effective for their time, have evolved significantly over the centuries. Today we have access to a wide range of toothpaste ingredients that are backed by scientific research and designed to address specific dental needs. Modern toothpaste formulations often include fluoride, a mineral that strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent cavities. Other common ingredients include abrasives like silica to remove plaque, humectants to retain moisture, and detergents to create a foaming action. While we no longer use crushed eggshells or ground up animal hooves, the basic principles of ancient Egyptian toothpaste remain the same. To clean teeth, freshen breath, and promote oral health, the evolution of toothpaste ingredients reflects advancements in science and technology, allowing us to care for our teeth more effectively. Section 7. The enduring legacy of ancient Egyptian oral hygiene. The ancient Egyptians' contributions to dental hygiene have had a lasting impact on our modern practices. Their understanding of the importance of oral health, their innovative toothpaste recipes, and their use of dental tools laid the foundation for the sophisticated dental care we have today. While our methods and ingredients have evolved, the fundamental principles of dental hygiene remain the same. We still brush our teeth regularly, floss to remove plaque, and visit the dentist for checkups and cleanings. The ancient Egyptians' emphasis on oral hygiene serves as a reminder that taking care of our teeth is not just a modern concept, but a practice deeply rooted in human history, Section 8. Conclusion, lessons from the past, inspiration for the future. The ancient Egyptians' innovative approach to dental hygiene offers valuable lessons for us today. Their resourcefulness in using natural ingredients, their understanding of the link between oral health and overall well-being, and their commitment to dental care serve as an inspiration for us to prioritize our own oral hygiene. By learning from the past, we can continue to improve our dental practices and maintain healthy smiles for generations to come. The story of ancient Egyptian toothpaste is a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring pursuit of a healthy and beautiful smile. Section 9. Fun facts about ancient Egyptian dental practices. Did you know that ancient Egyptians used chewed up herbs and spices as a form of breath freshener? Some ancient Egyptian toothpaste recipes included honey, which has natural antibacterial properties. The ancient Egyptians believed that the heart was the center of intelligence and emotions, and they even believed it played a role in dental health. They developed dental tools made from bronze, which highlights their advanced metalworking skills. The ancient Egyptians believed that a bright smile was a sign of a happy and prosperous afterlife.